He didn't tell whether you require to give the money or whether you are not required to give the money. He didn't tell anything. It's all his experience. All his experience he shared with this person. Now you can decide. Based on this knowledge, you can decide. Then Rodan told, very thankful to you. Yes, now I can take a wise decision this person. Okay, when. But here, what knowledge Rodan provided to, what knowledge Mathan provided to Rodan, that knowledge we require. Correct, right? Because we are facing the same situation, man. You have only 10,000 rupees. You have only 5 lakhs in your account. That is your emergency fund. Suddenly your friend came. Very urgent. In the next week only I will give it. Or next month only I will give it. Very urgent. My life is going to be struggle like anything. Can you help me like that? Now you have bigger question in your mind. It is your emergency fund. If you are giving, if something goes wrong, then you will be in the trouble. Then you will be in the trouble. If you are not giving, then the relationship by default will become. He's a close friend. He helped multiple times to you. Okay, then the relationship by default will become. How to handle this type of scenario? Rodan, wonderful knowledge he got from the Mathan. Yeah. What the Mathan? Mathan start the story. Mathan starts his sharing his experiences, and the knowledge he is providing Katie for the Rodan with a small story he started. Can I start that story? There is a farmer is there. Wonderful story, man. There is a farmer is there. The farmer has one donkey and one ox. Ox means, right? Iddu. Donkey and ox. The farmer usually using ox for his farmland cultivation. Okay, morning, evening. So he has to cultivate the land. For that, he is going to use ox. Next, he is using donkey for the traveling purposes. Usually in the olden days, donkeys for the traveling purposes. Okay, he had two. One donkey is there, one ox is there. What happened is the ox, one day, it is telling to donkey, "Arey donkey, my situation is very horrible. Every day, morning to evening, I require to go to the farmlands. I require to do heavy work, not having single day rest also. But your life is very happy because whenever our owner required to travel, then only there is a work to you. If there is no travel, most of the times no travel, then happily you are going to enjoy your life. I'm feeling a bit jealousy by seeing you. Really, my situation is very horrible. Out of 365 days, almost around 360 days I'm going to work. Only 3 or 4 days only I'm getting. But you have the work only those 4 or 5 days only. Feeling a bit jealousy. I'm very horrible, my situation. Like ox told to donkey. Then donkey felt a bit. It's a real. Okay, even at least one day rest also not there for this ox. Like donkey is going to give a free suggestion to ox. What is the suggestion is? A free suggestion to ox. Okay, what that free suggestion is? Tomorrow morning, whenever farmer is coming, whenever owner is coming, lie down and sick. Act like lie down and sick. Lie down and sick. Like act. So that owner at least give one day rest to you. So that the purpose is going to be fulfilled. Like donkey give the suggestion to donkey give the suggestion to ox. Next day morning, owner came. Next day morning, owner came. What? Owner saw that the ox is not in a position to stand. It is lie down and feeling a bit sick. Ayyo, owner felt a bit unhappy because his schedule got disturbed. But compulsory that day required to do cultivation. Cultivation, donatum, the lands they are going to dig, like there the work is there. Compulsory. It should be done. It should not be postponed. Then what the owner did is that day, instead of oxen, he took the donkey for that farming activity. Fluffing is required, right? Okay, that day, instead of ox, okay, owner what he did is he took a donkey for that farmland activity. The reason is the farmer have the knowledge of understanding animal talking. Okay, these two animals are talking, right? The owner already got that. Already got that. Next day morning, what he did is he took the donkey for cultivation sake, for the farmland cultivation sake. Full day, left and right to the donkey. Full day. What the ox has to do that, the total activity, morning to evening, morning to evening, he gave that activity to the donkey. Okay. Then at night, the donkey was tired, angry, and in pain. Boss, that night. So what about the donkey situation? Almost he's going to die. Almost it's going to die. That much pain it got. Because that is not his regular activity, right? If it's the ox, it is a regular activity. That is not his regular activity, right? Next, intentionally farmer did. Because farmer can understand animal language. Oh, you gave such a type of suggestion to the ox, like intentionally he took for land ploughing, all these activities that a full day, morning, evening. Ratan told this story to the Ratan. Okay.